Today I am reviewing the CyberPowerPC Gamer Master gaming PC. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. Let's start with the heart of this build, the AMD Ryzen 5500 processor. With 6 cores and 12 threads clocked at 3.6 GHz, and turbo boosting even higher, this CPU handles modern gaming titles, multitasking, and productivity tasks with ease. Whether you're jumping between browser tabs, recording gameplay, or editing clips for YouTube, the Ryzen 5500 delivers a smooth and responsive experience. Now paired with that is the AMD Radeon RX 400 4GB graphics card. It's a budget-friendly GPU that's surprisingly capable. You can run popular titles like Fortnite, Apex Legends, Valorant, Rocket League, or even GTA 5 on medium to high settings at 1080p with decent frame rates. It's not a high-end card, and it's not built for maxed-out 4K gaming, but it nails the essentials: esports titles, indie games, and even AAA games on optimized settings. It also supports both HDMI and DisplayPort, so you've got flexibility depending on your monitor setup. When it comes to memory and storage, CyberPowerPC doesn't cut corners. You get a whopping 16 GB of DDR4 RAM, which is more than enough for gaming, streaming, and multitasking in 2025. RAM upgrades are often needed in other pre-builds, but not here. And the 500 GB PCIe Gen4 NVMe SSD is super fast, meaning lightning-quick boot times, shorter load screens, and snappy app performance. You can always add more storage later if you need it, but this SSD alone is enough for your OS, your favorite games, and some essential programs. One of the most appreciated features of this system is the case design. It has a tempered glass side panel, allowing you to show off your clean internal layout and the custom RGB lighting that brings that gamer aesthetic to life. It's a tower that doesn't just perform well, it looks great sitting on your desk, too. Connectivity is well covered here. You got a total of 9 USB ports, including 5 USB 3.1 ports and 4 USB 2.0 ports for peripherals. It also comes with Wi-Fi 5 and Bluetooth 4.2 built-in, so you're ready to go online wirelessly or connect your favorite Bluetooth headphones or game controllers right out of the box. The audio setup supports 7.1 channel surround sound, making it ideal for immersive gameplay or watching movies with a headset or speaker setup. And yes, the package also includes a keyboard and mouse, which is great for beginners or anyone building a setup from scratch. On the software side, this PC ships with Windows 11 Home, which runs buttery smooth on this hardware. Whether you're gaming, working, or streaming, Windows 11 enhances your workflow with its modern interface and productivity features. Another thing worth highlighting is the warranty and support. You get 1 year of parts and labor warranty and free lifetime technical support from CyberPowerPC. That kind of peace of mind is especially valuable if you're not confident with building or troubleshooting your own rig. So who is the CyberPowerPC Gamer Master GMA 30-100A4? If you're a gamer looking to jump into PC gaming for the first time, or maybe you're coming from an older setup and want something reliable, stylish, and affordable, this is a perfect mid-range system. It won't play ultra settings at 4K, but it will consistently deliver smooth gameplay at 1080p, and it's built with enough headroom to upgrade components in the future. The CyberPowerPC Gamer Master isn't trying to be the flashiest rig on the market. It's focused on what actually matters: real-world performance, clean design, upgrade potential, and a smooth, frustration-free experience out of the box. If that's what you're looking for, it's a total win.